am Marcy.
And today we haven't like filmed a video in like a really long time. So we're really sorry about that.
It's because of school and volleyball.
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a part 2 of talking to strangers on Monkey. And if you noticed, I'm wearing the same sweatshirt from my first video. But no, it's not the same day. So yeah.
It's actually like 3 months later, but
You get the gist. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Wait, is she like on?
yeah, we're recording a YouTube video.
Oh, well, don't at me. Malik Hughes.
Nah,
everybody. Yeah.
When we can't screen record.
Hi, Mark. We want to try to cook it earlier, so now I gotta cook it.
What video game are you playing?
Thank you.
You're fucking me? That's not cool. Sauce. I'm saucy. Hi.
Hi.
Can I see its work?
No,
no.
I don't have an ass.
So what?
I mean,
Like I literally don't have an
I
ass.
have
Like,
an ass. I
got
just
it.
can't work.
I got it surgically removed.
Hi.
Hi.
What?
Bitch.
Bitch?
Yeah.
Look at that spaghetti, bitch.
What?
This thing goes boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Hi, Colin.
Graves Mark. Hi.
What's up?
We're recording a YouTube video.
That's pretty crazy.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
Like that bitch. Hi. Wait. Oh shit.
My bit. But look how long my hair is.
You're getting a phone call. Yes.
Hello, Kyle.
Luke.
Hi, Luke.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm pretty good.
We're recording a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
That bitch.
Harry Potter who?
Oh my god, it's Jeremiah.
What's up, Jemiah? Or Jeremiah?
Hi.
We're filming a YouTube video.
What?
We're filming a YouTube video. We're filming a YouTube.
I don't want to be a stripper.
I don't want to be a nugget.
Hi.
I
No, she's from New York.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
from New York.
I'm just playing. What's up, y'all?
We're recording a YouTube video
Yeah.
and you're in it, so you're welcome. She did.
Can I get a Hoya?
Look at you.
Can I get a Hoya?
I'm not single.
I am. I'm feeling it now, Mr. Krabs.
Oh!
Can I get
Shut the fuck
a
up!
freaking Hoya?
Hi, bitch.
Love that.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I'm reporting you.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to try Marcy. Don't forget to check out Marcy and I's main channels. And don't forget to subscribe.